Morvan off of Gravity, Dance in the Rain. Lori, she never fails to deliver. I mean, I'm trying to keep everything going on this, and I have not heard a lot of the songs I try to play on the show here. Click this one on. Thanks, Lori. Love it. Off of Gravity, everybody. Matter of fact, she's going to be in Illinois, coming up Decatur, Illinois on June 24th and June 25th. That's Springfield. Sounds like college rock and blues with Lori Morvan of the band. So, super stuff. Okay, let's carry on to Little Canada right now. My friends from across the board, Jackie. Jackie, she's been on the show. Boy, she's a couple hours with me chatting about the trains and everything about Canada. And it's kind of ironic, the stuff we have in the world today, but there's no tariffs. Music is free. Karma's free. So let's keep it going. So this one, across the board, she's listening. Story behind this one, but let's just rock this one first. Thanks.
If she's listening, show me by her side. If she's listening, challenge her to thrive. You need to show all the ways to feed her hope. And she's listening. If she's listening, take her by the hand. If she's listening, there'll always be a plan. She needs to know a twist of fate is not the end. And she's listening. You ought to know how struggle and strife can change the world. So don't let her down, 'cause under this temporary cloud, she's listening. She's listening. If she's listening, take her by the hand. If she's listening, there'll always be a plan. She needs to know the twist of fate is not the end. And she's listening. You ought to know how struggle and strife can change the world. So don't let her down, 'cause under this temporary cloud, she's listening. She's listening.
Thank you, Jacqueline Ann from across the board. She's listening. It's kind of funny. I'll say, yeah, there's a story behind that. Well, there's a story behind every song. I know that, of course. But anyways, I get caught. What are you trying to do? Just keep it rolling, all right, buddy? Here we go. She's listening. No, this is about a CD that's in Canada. That's ovarian cancer. Michael Anderson up there. And again, check it out. They're touring Canada. They're trying to raise funds. I believe they're in the Ontario area. Now they're heading west. So, yeah, they're going to tour, place to place. A lot of musicians are joining together to raise money for the Ovarian Cancer Society up in Canada. So, She's Listening is a key tune for that. Matter of fact, I got to premiere that jam about a month ago on the show here. So, thanks again, Jackie. Now let's keep it jamming. Now, one of the reasons I came with Across the Board today, besides that fabulous story, is their new CD, Sonic Boom. That's in the top 100 jams worldwide with Buddy Guy, Roger Daltrey, my guy Buddy Guy. Roger's got 2 songs in there, and so does Across the Board for Sonic Boom. Well, let's jam right now. 2-step, and I'm going to come back with Sonic Boom. Thanks. Across the Board.
for you. Are you ready for me to? Ready or not, waiting for you. Are you waiting for me to stay away from women? One shot, it's all it takes to stay away from women. One shot, it's all it takes. Battle is yours, but the war is mine. Battle is yours, but the war is mine. Ready or not, ready for you. Are you ready for me? Ready or not, ready for you. I'm coming for you to stay away from women. One shot is all it takes to stay away from women. One shot is all it takes. Battle is yours, but the war is mine. Battle is yours, but the war is mine. Kings and queens of sympathy, I am not listening. I've got aces in my deck. You can keep it to yourself. To stay away from women. One shot is all it takes to stay away from women. One shot is all it takes. Battle is yours, but the war is mine. Battle is yours, but the war is mine. Kings and queens of sympathy, I am not listening. I've got aces in my deck. You can keep it to yourself.
Oh, what a fun band. Across the board, Canada, Ontario, you guys rock up there. And speaking of that, I just caught a message that, yes, she's listening. Again, the ovarian cancer project they got with all the artists up in Canadian Way. Yeah, they're heading out west, Edmonton Way next year. So God bless everything they're trying to do out there. Let's carry on with some more across the board. This one, Back to the Tracks. Yeah, we talked about this. Jackie was telling me this is how everybody sees Canada, through the tracks. You know, here in the States, interstate roads and all that. In Canadian land, it's still the train. So a lot of the stuff is not too pretty, I guess, is what she was trying to tell me. So thanks again. Across the board. Back to the tracks.
Traveling out across this country so far, an ancient trail gives way to railway cars, through valleys, forests, under prairies and plains, through rocky tunnels, over rivers and the lakes, from Anchor Pass along the streams and the brooks, to hanging cliffs that wind through windy chenooks. The city's back door, a town's only trail. Why do we so often turn our back to the rails, our back to the rails? Clean up the yard, wave a hand. the echoes of the workers on the move, and all the passengers who peer out from above still come from far and wide Canadian pride, and all the beauty that's the face of our countryside, marking poverty with iron bars and ties. Remorse, majestic arrest, keep this country alive, keep this country alive. Clean up the yard, wave a hand to the rail. The Canadian pastors with their long silver tail fill to the brim with folks from all over the world. And Sonny's out screaming at us all aboard. We hide the junk and the trash behind the cold iron tracks. We turn our faces away from what we don't want to say. And in the history of all kings, queens, and princes afar, traversing provinces wide, they see us all from the other side. So come on back to the track, clean up the yard, wave a hand to the rail. Wave your hand to the rail. The Canadian pastors with their long silver tail, fill to the brim with folks from all over the world. And Sonny's out screaming at us all aboard, all aboard, all aboard, all aboard.
Yes, all aboard, across the board. Also, back to the tracks. All right, shutting this version down. Now, what I end up doing is I load this up into the Blog Talk site. So if anybody is this far into the show, oh my, at least my father is blessed in heaven. So anyways, we're about an hour, 30 minutes into this thing. So then I take it and I load it up into the Blog Talk site. So this is the Spreaker.com/Umagoo. It sounds beautiful. That's what I wanted. You can play it in your stereo anywhere. All right, enough of that. Sonic Boom across the board. Thanks, Jack Leanne. And I love it. Thank you. Go Canada, by the way. Yeah, here we go.